Amar, and this is a thought of the day video. Today we're talking about choice. I have a thought on choice, and you know what choice is? Choice is when you have a bunch of choices in front of you. You like at a roundabout, and you can take one of the decisions depending on A, B, C, D choices available to you, and you take one choice. And if you make the right choice, because what happens in life, and that's what the thought is also about, that quite often we end up wanting wrong things. We end up climbing the wrong ladder. We end up climbing ladders which lead us to misery. So we can only make the right choices in life after having made a few wrong choices. Very few people are lucky and have the mentorship or the guidance that's needed to make the right choices in life. Because to be able to make the right choices in life on the right foundations, because the right foundation of any particular choice is if it makes you happier, right? If it makes you happier, if it makes people around you happier, if it leads to a better life. Because what happens is sometimes we think that we need a particular thing, and that particular thing ends up making us miserable. I'll give you an example. When I was in my MBA, I wanted to join the aviation industry, alright, and that is one of the choices I mentioned during my MBA. That in the placements, I'll sit for aviation industry if companies come from me, and that's a horrible choice to make. I mean, in hindsight, that is a horrible choice to make, because aviation is one of the most loss-making industries in the world, and because I went to a B school where getting a good salary was also important, right? Because I wanted a brand management role, and the brand management role works largely in FMCG or a consumer durable setup, but I said I would want to work in the aviation industry. So the entire combination of choice that I had at that point was misleading, and it led to a lot of pain in my life, because I thought I wanted that, and I actually got what I wanted, and it led to a lot of pain. So that was one of the points in my life where I wanted the wrong thing, where my choice turned out to be extremely terrible, right? And similar things have happened in terms of even personal life. Important thing is when you make a choice in your life, just listen to how your body behaves, just listen to how your mind behaves. If you feel happy while making a particular choice, then it may turn out to be the right choice for you. That means it may make you a happier person. But if you are about to make a decision, you are in doubt, there's a good rule of the thumb that says, when in doubt, don't. And that's a good rule of the thumb. I mean, a lot of people say different things about when in doubt what you should do. I'm 40 right now, and I've seen a lot of life, and close to 40, and I've seen a lot of life, and now that I think about life, I believe that when you're in doubt, you should not do something, because you're quite likely to make a wrong choice. So observe your body, observe yourself, and make a choice when you feel happy about it, right? So that's what the thought of the day says. And the thought of the day is by Charles Lamb, and it says, the measure of choosing well is whether a man likes or finds good in what he is choosing, right? So the measure of choosing well is whether a man likes and finds good in what he is choosing. So once you made the choice, you like the choice, because there's a lot of difference between wanting something and once you get it, liking it, right? So that's why in turning in an industry that you think you want to work in is a good idea as a student. That's why doing a week at a job which you think you want to take up is a good idea. That's why interning under a photographer, if you want to be a photographer, is a good idea, right? So because we only actually experience the essence of a profession or anything when we really are into it, when you are doing it, right? So the essence of choosing well is whether a man likes, and when it says whether a man, it also means a woman. So whether a man or a woman likes or finds good in what he is choosing. And you would end up, most of us, besides a few exceptions in life who, like I said, have good guidance through their teachers or their parents, most people end up making wrong choices before they make the right choices in life, right? So it's okay if you end up making mistake in making the wrong choices, but come back. If you realize you made a wrong choice. Don't keep going in the wrong direction just because you come too far. Don't keep going in the wrong direction just because you've come too far. Take a U-turn, come back and restart. Maybe this time you will make the right choice and you'll be happy. Alright, that's the thought of the day, and I hope you liked it. I like the way I explained the thought. I speak well, don't I? So thanks for watching these videos. That people watch these videos means a lot to me. I hope at this some point this channel will get a lot of subscribers. Right now, no, there are hardly any subscribers, but I'm still continuing to make these videos because I believe in what I'm doing. So I'll continue to make these videos, and thanks for being here. Please share these videos with other people. Let me know in comments if you learn anything in any of the videos. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much.